Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling a huge question. How do we power our world without starving it? So here's the problem. We need more food and more clean energy, but there's only so much land. And that's creating a real conflict over how we use our most valuable resource, right? So, farmland is being turned into solar farms, pitting one crucial need directly against another. But what if we didn't actually have to choose? What if we could have both on the same land? Okay, so let's get into it. It's called agrivoltaics, or AV, mixing farming with solar power. A great way to think about it is like agroforestry, but instead of trees, you're using solar panels. And what's really cool is just how flexible it is. You can mix solar with livestock, crops, everything. This isn't just some idea, by the way. It's a real technology, and it's growing like crazy. So this both-and approach, it unlocks a ton of benefits and makes the land way more productive. Just look at this number. It means 1 hectare of this land can be as productive as 1.7 hectares. Basically, the panels and the crops help each other out. It's a win-win with some huge advantages. So in one project, the shade from the panels meant they needed almost 14% less water. Huge savings. And check this out. A US study found it boosted the land's total economic value by over 30%. This is amazing. You can literally see its power to restore land, turning barren ground green again. Okay, so if it's so great, what's the catch? What's holding it back? Well, the biggest hurdle is pretty simple: money. It costs more to set up at the beginning. And we're not talking small change. Costs can be anywhere from 4% to over 100% higher. And it's not just the cost. There are other hurdles, like policy, training, and just people not knowing about it. So what's the path forward? How do we unlock all this potential around the world? Well, experts have pointed to 4 key things, from government help all the way to new business models. The good news is, research centers all over the world are already working on these very challenges. So it really leaves you with a big question. Could the farms of the future harvest the sun twice?